Hi guys, let's make Beyer3 Ampesie, which means yam and garden eggs sauce. So let's go. Please note I'm gonna list all the ingredients in the description box so you can check it out, okay? We are done. Our Beyer3 Ampesie is ready, guys. I want to use this opportunity to thank you for the massive support. God bless you. Kindly keep them coming, okay? Just follow this step-by-step recipe and make this delicious Ampesie for your family, and they are gonna love it. See ya in our next video. Bye bye.